Hello everyone. Today I will be covering the course that is Dash as a cryptocurrency. Let's move it to the content. Now here the table of contents are Introduction to Dash, how Dash works, how to set up Dash wallets and exchanges, how to invest and trade Dash, and last, Dash Faucet. Okay, the first, that is Introduction to Dash. Now the word Dash, D starts with digital. Okay, so that is actually digital cash. Now if we go to the website, Dash is digital cash, a revolutionary digital money system. Now Dash, which was formerly known as Darkcoin and Xcoin, is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency. Now on top of Bitcoin's feature set, it currently offers instant transaction, that is instant send, then private transactions, that is private send, and operates self-governing and self-funding model that enables the Dash network to pay individual and businesses to perform work that adds value to the network. Okay, so Dash decentralized governance and budgeting system makes it a decentralized autonomous organization, that is DAO. Now in case of Ripple, that was the payment system which was actually centralized, which was connected with the bank. Okay, now in this case, in case of Dash, it is totally decentralized, and here the power is given to the public at large, that is open source. Okay, so it can be used by merchant or any other public. Okay, so with this it creates more value to this cryptocurrency. So this is the dash.org. This is the website where you can go through the details, what all details are there. Okay, so here you can see shop direct with Dash, instant and private purchases direct from your Dash wallet. Okay, so these are the different ways like misconduct wine, living room of, so here premium micro lot wines, so all these through which you can use Dash. Okay, so these are the merchants. Now more merchants, you can click on this, you can also become a merchant. Okay, so these are various merchants through which you can just exchange with Dash. So Klaus Mail is there, then Bohel VNP, Viking VNP, Air VPN. Okay, so there are many other merchants. Then the business services, marketing, web, graphic design. Okay, so there are different other, even you can use for gift cards, crypto day change, gift off, crafter. Even you can use Dash for games. So these are Nestro games, Retro Towers, Key for Coin, Coin Wars, FX Lucky. Then you can also use for online casinos. Okay, then even web stores are there. So there are various other ways through which you can use Dash cryptocurrency for any transaction. Okay, now when we talk about the features, first that comes master nodes. Now in case of Bitcoins, it is a single tier network where all jobs on the network are performed by miners. Okay, now in case of Dash, it utilizes a two-tier network. Okay, so this we have to keep in mind. Now certain network functions such as creating new blocks that are handled by the miners. Now the second tier of the Dash network consists of master nodes, which perform private send, instant send, and governance function. Okay, so in case of master nodes, it requires almost 1000 dash as collateral to prevent any kind of attacks. Okay, so that collateral can be spent at any time, but doing so that removes the associated master node from the network. Okay, now because master nodes provide important network functions, the block reward is split between miners and master nodes. That is, with each group earning 45% of the block reward, and the remaining 10% of each block reward funds the budget or treasury system. Okay, so here we can see the current master nodes, that is 4823, and the maximum master node so far, that is 4857. So as we can see the chart here, the number of active master nodes, that is 60 minutes interval. So here we can see from October 2014 till now. So here it has been mentioned till April 2017. So here the number of active master nodes that has increased. So here we can see the maximum 4486 and the minimum, that is 614, and currently that is 4223. Okay, so that is 4223, and if you visit currently, that will be increasing. Okay, so as we have discussed about private send, then instant send. When we say private send, okay, private send is a coin mixing service that is based on coin join with numerous modification in that. So these include using master nodes instead of a single website, that is chaining by mixing with multiple master nodes, restricting the mixing to only accept certain denomination, like for example 0.01 dash, 0.1 dash, 1 dash, and it could be 10 dash. Okay, and passive node also. So the maximum allowed for a private send transaction, that is 1000 dash. Okay, the implementation of private send also allows master nodes to submit the transactions using special network code that is called DSTX. So this provides additional privacy to users due to the date change issue present in other coin join based implementations such as dark wallet and coin shuffle. In 2016, dark send was rebranded to private send. Okay, so it has changed, and then in its current implementation, it adds privacy to transactions by combining identical inputs from multiple users into a single transaction with several outputs. Now, due to the identical inputs, transactions usually cannot be directly traced. Private send makes Dash more fusible, exchangeable by mixing the coins in the same denomination with other wallets, ensuring that all coins are of same value. Okay, so this is about private send. Then the next, that is instant send. Now, in case of instant send, is a service that allows for near instant transactions. Through this system, inputs can be locked to specific transactions and verified by consensus of the master node network. Now, conflicting transactions and blocks are rejected. Okay, so if a consensus cannot be reached, validation of the transactions occurs through standard block confirmation. Okay, so instant send solves the double spending problem without the longer confirmation times of other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Okay, so in June 2016, Instant X was rebranded to Instant Send. Okay, so this is about the what is Ripple, what is Dash. Okay,